Hey friends, if you wish to change the Firefox background color, then please watch this video. So here's the thing. We don't have much of options here. We can only change it between light and dark mode, but there are other things that we can change. So we'll open Firefox, click on this hamburger icon here and then select settings. Now here, type colors, okay? And if you want the light mode, you can select this one. If you want the dark mode, you can select this one. If you want to align it with the mode on the computer itself, then select automatic. But if I change this to colors, let's say, I will have the option to manage colors, okay, for Firefox. So as for the text and background color, you can use system colors, or you can use these link colors and all here. Okay, you can choose any color of your choice and then click on OK, and then you can click on OK, but it works only with the high contrast themes. It won't work with all themes. See, here's what happens. It doesn't actually change the entire background's color, which can only be black or white, but it will change the color of links, it will change the color of highlighting, it will change other colors. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.